Changing your oil in an apartment parking lot is a fast track to lease violations if you spill a single drop on the asphalt. The top-down extraction method uses a pneumatic fluid pump to pull old oil directly through the dipstick tube. It requires zero clearance. You start by bringing the engine up to operating temperature so the oil flows smoothly and quickly. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and remove the metal dipstick completely. Push the stiff nylon extraction tubing down into the guide tube until you feel it hit the very bottom of the oil pan. Hook up the vacuum pump and give it a few strong manual thrusts to build up serious negative pressure. The thick black oil will immediately shoot up the translucent tube and safely collect inside the sealed plastic reservoir. You can literally stand there and watch the engine drain itself with zero effort. While the pump is pulling out the remaining fluid from the pan, you can tackle the top-mounted cartridge oil filter. Crack the plastic filter housing loose with a socket and let it drain internally for a solid minute. This prevents any sudden messes from escaping the housing when you remove it. Once the extraction tube starts sucking air, pull it out carefully and swap your fresh filter element into the housing. Pour your new synthetic oil directly into the main filler neck. Since you can clearly see exactly how much old oil was extracted into the marked reservoir, you know exactly how much to replace. This entire process leaves your hands completely clean and the parking lot ground perfectly dry. You just take the sealed extractor jug directly to your local auto parts store for easy recycling. It is the absolute safest and fastest way to maintain your vehicle when you do not have a private garage.